so you see these Jones, yeah, the clear sky or sky blue or whatever this is. I don't know what this is actually called, but do you know what's crazy? This is my second favorite out of the whole inspiration pack, because the colors just like, it's so soothing. Like, I feel like it's just, I feel what it is because it just would work with like summer, and like, you know, summer's actually lit as well, so I guess that's why I like it. But the colors just complement each other, like the blue with the yellow, it makes sense. It's not like the whole, you know, blue, orange and pink. That's just madness for me. Like, it's just black, like light blue and yellow. It just works for me. And also, like, if you want to be a bit more subtle, they did give you like blue laces, so that works as well. And I guess I'm third time lucky, because now I know it says empower and inspire, so I'm guessing this is empower because it's, you know, it's longer, and then this is inspire. Just, that's what makes sense for me, but correct me if I'm wrong anyways. But yeah, there's nothing really to say about these shoes. They're just amazing. The colorway is just crazy. That's what I like about the inspiration pack, which is why I got up and went to get these. And also I needed to make a video as well. Just gotta stay consistent, you see. But anyways, like, it's just something to add to the collection. Like, I'm getting rid of that other orange and blue one. It's just nonsense, I won't even lie to you. But you see, these Jones are crazy. Like, I would try to keep it as clean as possible till summer. Like, I might just keep it dead stock till summer. And the only reason I guess I wore these is just for the on feet review that you're gonna see shortly. But there's nothing really to say, just the standard NMDs, you know, the sole, like, you know, the embroidery, that's always, you know, neat and clean, and then just literally same thing inside. Everything is the same, but they got this other pattern going on, some, you could call it like an African sort of pattern. I think that's what they call it online, some Afro or something. But whatever this pattern is, and the other like colors just to complement the whole shoe, just to give it a little bit of, you know, a contrast or like some accent. Just, it just makes the whole shoe pop. You see all these vibrant colors, it makes sense, man. This is way better than the Billionaire Boys Club collab. I would say that to you. Like, I might even get rid of them ones as well, but for now I'm just keeping them and just seeing what's what. Like, you never know, it might just swing, I might swing it your way. You never know how it goes, but let's just see how everything goes, how it goes, you see. But anyways, without me chatting too much and whatever not, let's just get into the B-roll and like the on feet like review, so you just get a closer look into this amazing crepes that I got here. So yeah, let's, without me keeping you lot here, let's just, you know, head into that. Right, so I have a new camera. Like, I got a Sony a7S, and I was shooting an S-Log3 or S-Log2, something like, some picture profile that this complicated camera's got. So I'm still figuring out the whole profiles and what would work for me. So that's why the you know, the color grade might be a bit off, but I try my best really. But I've been editing it myself, so it's like I can see the difference. But you know what, like, it's just gonna get better. That's why I've got a better equipment, so I can start filming in 4K and whatever not. So yeah, you lot just bear with me, man. But if you did enjoy this video, just leave a like and subscribe if you're new as well, like, because it just makes sense. Like, and it just, that's, you see all these things, it like motivates me. Like, that's not what it's about, but it's like, you know, when you get a little bit of feedback, it kind of motivates you to even just keep going. So like, if you have that time, man, just, you know, like, subscribe and leave a comment for me. Let's, even if it's negative, man, tell me what to, like, you know, improve on, and just hang around and see me improve in it. But for now, I guess we gotta say goodbye. I'm out.